Welcome back to our channel, that is Solid Master. First of all, happy Independence Day to all over guys of India. Today we have made the new model, that is our India flag, that we have created here. In this I will show you how to make this and how to paste here logo of our flag in this surface body, and I will show you how to render this. So let's start to make it. Select here front plane, sketch, select here line command from sketch tool command manager, make one rough geometry, then I will apply here some dimensions so that you will get my idea. Like this you have to make it. Now apply here dimension, select smart dimension, select first this line, bottom line, make 150 mm, and here width will be 20 mm. Here also make it 20. Same as it is 20 mm width. Now here length will be say as 40 mm. Here also same, make it 40 mm. Click OK. Now our geometry is fully defined, as you see here. Exit. Use here revolve boss base. Select here axis of revolution, this line. Now our revolve has applied here. Simply just click OK. Now select this top surface, sketch, make here one circle, select smart dimension, make it 25 mm. OK. Exit. Now go to extrude boss. Height will be 150. Like this, and click OK. Now here zoom it, select your front plane, sketch, normal to profile, make here center line from this point to this end. OK. Now go to here spline command, choose here this point, this, and this. Press the right click button on your mouse and select. Now adjust this curves, selecting this point. Yeah. Again adjust this. OK. Here use line command, select this point up to this, press select button. Now our sketch has closed, so simply just exit it. Use here again revolve boss. Here our revolve boss has applied successfully. say just click OK. Just click OK. Now here we have to make flag here. For this I will use here reference geometry. Select here plane. Now I will choose here top plane. So scroll down this. Select here top plane. And height will be 1140 mm. Click OK. Now again go to reference geometry, select here plane, select here plane number 4 that we have created, and this time make 65 mm. Flip the opposite direction and number of count will be 4. Make here 4 mm. Or make here 3. Click OK. Now here select your first top plane, that is plane number 4. Sketch. Now again choose your spline command. Make the geometry here from origin point. Up to here. Adjust this curve. Exit. Now go to here sketch tool command manager, or simply just click the second plane. Sketch. Now go to here convert entities, select this arc, spline arc, and click OK. As you can see, our convert entities have made this sketch on second plane. So click OK. Again I will choose here third plane, sketch. Go to here convert entities and select here spline arc. Click OK. Again it is converted here, so click OK. And our last plane, select hit sketch. Use again convert entities. Select this spline arc and click OK. Yeah, this is our last one. So click OK. All the lines we have created in all the planes. So simply just hide this all planes in your model design tree. Now go to here surface tool command manager, select here loft surface, select this line, this arc, this and the last one. Now click OK. Now our flag has completed. Only we have to stick here our logo. So go to here render tools, select here edit decals, and here go to browse image. We have already downloaded our picture, so go to here desktop, now select this surface, loft surface, and here go to mapping. Here in this you will see one here option. Scroll down this mapping type and select here label. Now you see that it is properly fixed, so adjust this. Adjust this properly so that it will be easily fit. Yeah, it is now properly fixed, so simply just click OK. Now I will color it, so go here appearances, edit appearance, choose here solid, select here orange, I will select here surface first only so that it will be properly done. Again choose here orange, or choose here white color so that it will be properly look. Now here for flag rod I will choose here LED lights. Go to here lights, LED, select here white LED, select here boss extrude. Again I will choose here white LED and select this top face. Yeah, now I will choose our background, that is this one. Now it looks nice. I will select here render region. It selects the region only that we have chosen it. Now in this I will go to preview window. It will take some time to preview it. Yeah, now it looks very nice. So simply you have to do this. So simply I have done this all. I hope you like my video. So please subscribe our channel so that we will make more and more projects for you. So thank you for watching it. Happy Independence Day to all of you. Thank you.